Join us as we tackle the last section of the Mawson Trail from Hawker to Blinman, as we hope to finish this amazing trail all the way from Adelaide. On this trip, the Flinders Ranges shows off its spectacular beauty, but it's not without its fair share of challenges. After a great meal the night before and only 30 kilometers planned for the day to Wilpena bound, we decided to sleep in and have a lazy start to the morning. We waved Rawnsley Park station goodbye and headed out on a very special section of the Mawson Trail.
Wow.
After a gravel road section, the trail turned onto some stunning single and jeep track. It was magical, flowing, and well, I will let the scenery speak for itself.
What do you think of this little section, Mike?
Tell you what, we're enjoying a beautiful morning in one of the most picturesque places in the Flinders. Tell you what, God is good.
We had a short stint on the road before more great trail riding and wildlife sightings on the way.
The weather's been pretty mild for us.
Yeah, and that's been excellent. And this breeze is fantastic. Great ride.
Beautiful.
Glad to make it all the way to the national park.
Yes.
After booking in at Wilpena Pound, Mike had a confession to make.
We made it, and I'm too soft, so we decided to book a room instead of putting the tents up. That's the way it is.
In the afternoon, we had to juggle the cars around to Blinman, but took advantage of some stunning views along the way. With only one day left, who knew that the last day would prove to be one of the most challenging? Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.